we have a compound A, that is C8H10O, is found by reacting with a NaOI and produced with NaOH and yields a yellow precipitate with characteristic smells. So what we have here is we have a compound A, that is, if we react it with NaOI, then it will give a yellow precipitate with a characteristic smell. So if we try to recall what could be yellow precipitate with a characteristic smells, that is a family of sodium. We don't know that, but it is a property of sodium. So we need to find the substance A and we need to find the substance Y, which is combined with NaOH to produce NaOI. So if we take NaOH and make a compound reaction with I, then what will happen? NaOI will produce plus NaI, because there are two I's in it. To balance this, we are adding 2 here, plus H2O. This equation is balanced, and we have one compound, that is iodine with us. So here we'll see iodine. We have in 2 options iodine. One is this, one is this. We have in four iodines here. We need to find, we have the second compound with us. Now we need to find the first compound. So it is telling us C8H10O. so now we need to use the hit and trial method. So if we just say that this is our benzene, in this we'll try first. So what will be the byproduct if we will just use NaOI with it? So the benzene will remain same. It will be connected with this and one CH3. Then further it will be connected as CHI in NaOH, when it will be on the basis of this, plus benzene and COONA, which is sodium benzonate, and this CHI3 is the iodoform yellow pipette. So from that we can say that option 2 is correct.